Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you an update on the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project. Now the government has announced that this project is now 90% complete. And this project involved two major highways. One is the Maypen to Mandeville section of Highway 2000, which is a toll road that has been completed for quite a few years now. The second part and the main part of this project is the highway from Harborview in St. Andrew to Port Antonio in Portland. That section of the road, that highway is now 90% complete. Now we are looking at the section from Harborview to the Yallows Bridge. Now this section is a 4-lane dual carriageway, very nice highway, one of the nicest highways you will find in Jamaica. From the Yallows Bridge to Port Antonio, it's going to be a 2-lane road. Now this road is taking forever to finish. This road, almost every couple months you hear about this road and a new deadline for it to be finished. But it's getting there. And this road is actually a game changer for St. Thomas. This road has opened up St. Thomas to investments. Companies that were never in St. Thomas are now in St. Thomas. The Morant Bay Urban Center is completely sold out or leased out. Companies like Hilo, major supermarket chain in Jamaica, they didn't have a store in St. Thomas, they now have one. KFC, the #1 fast food chain in Jamaica, never had a store in St. Thomas. They now have one. These are the kind of entities that are in St. Thomas. Basically, St. Thomas, or Morant Bay, which is the capital of St. Thomas, has been put on the map because of this road. Now, although it's 90% complete and some sections had to be redone, the road is open and you can actually drive on it to Morant Bay, to St. Thomas. And because of this road, the government is actually building another urban center in Port Antonio, and they actually plan to build a Port Antonio bypass. So we are going to go through an article that gives more information on the latest update from the government. The multi-billion dollar Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project is 90% complete. Minister without portfolio in the Ministry of Economic Growth and Job Creation with responsibility for works, Honorable Robert Morgan, has advised. He indicated that work has been completed on Part A, which entails Maypen to Williamsfield Toll Road Extension. We have given the public a benefit of no tolling over the last several months. Part B2, Harborview to Yallows Bridge, which is a 4-lane highway, which is the section we're looking at now, is also open to the public, as well as Part B3 and 4, Yallows to Port Antonio and Morant Bay to Cedar Valley, which is a 2-lane highway which was divided into 3 tranches. 1 and 2 are substantially complete, and we have minor outstanding works there, and tranche 3 is now significantly complete, the minister further informed. Mr. Morgan also disclosed that Cabinet recently approved the Port Antonio bypass. The US $81 million investment will ease traffic congestion and open up Port Antonio to more development, as well as give persons better access to that side of the island, he said. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.